Good morning and welcome to Epcot. I'm here purely for one reason. I'm sure you saw it when you clicked on the video. Virtual queue is completely gone here at Disney World. So we're going to be testing out for the first time today. It did go officially away yesterday. That was Tuesday, February 25th. And it's currently the 26th, so it's the day after. So I wasn't quite here for that rush because I knew it was going to be crazy. So I figured I'd wait a day and then I'd come and show you guys. So we're going to come on in and experience it with us. So here we're coming up on Guardians now. Again, virtual queues are completely gone, if you didn't know, starting of yesterday at Disney World. So no need to get virtual queues right now. They haven't said if they will return in the future. I could see them doing one for Test Track right over there when it does open, just to control the line. But it would be interesting if it opens without a virtual queue. We have a posted wait of 90 minutes at the moment, but it's not even out in the extended queue, so we'll see. Thank you. So we'll actually be able to see if it's really 90 minutes. I'll start timing it, but they do have quite the extended queue set up for the morning rush. Well, I can immediately say there is a decent line already, but I've waited longer than this with virtual queue. It will all be up to obviously how much lightning lane they're letting through and how much they're selling right now. That will be a big key factor on how long it will take. But right now, this isn't looking like 90 minutes, but we are timing it, so I'll check back in when we're heading up to the pre-show.
What I find intriguing is that not only are your Voyagers receiving and sending data, they are also serving as ambassadors, carrying greetings from you Terrans to the universe.
Of note is the delicious Xandarian.
I'm sure it will be wonderful for you to relive all of those memories again. And it's thanks to the Guardians that Xandar is reaching out to other cultures across the galaxy.
Well, I currently have a feeling that it is not an hour and a half. Currently, we are at just 20 minutes on the timer. We're about to enter the first pre-show already. So I feel like it might have been a little overestimated.
To uncover the true story,
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, commander of the Nova Corps. You to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. Cosmic generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. As the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the cosmic generator.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me what I'm on. Please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this.
The doors are fully open.
You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
What's happening?
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator's gone.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our cosmic generator's been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man inside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
Wait, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator, and he's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
It's some kind of mutant jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Then whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power's down, and I've got to get these Terrans out to evacuation shuttle.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow them through the jump point.
What?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back.
Well, we are currently at 35 minutes and we just finished our second pre-show. So again, I'm not anticipating this in close to an hour and a half. I'd say about half of that for 45 minutes.
Everything is under control.
This is super interesting. They've added these since I've last tried. Stanchions that kind of funnel people. This is a fantastic addition. Because if you've ever ridden this, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, everyone comes in here and the funnel doesn't quite fit, and everyone just crams together and pushes in front of you. So absolutely amazing choice to add some stanchions to it. Should have been designed, to be able to handle this anyways, but that is a fantastic change in this part of the queue. Well, we're coming up on about 40 minutes, so probably by the time we get down there, about 45. So way way overestimated. Obviously, that's kind of a thing you can take into account. When a line's been really high, put a high weight, nobody gets in line. So if you wait a little bit, usually the line won't be as bad. But they've got this last section moving fantastic. The ops have been really great. I mean, that last show hasn't even come out behind me, and I'm already halfway down the ramp. But we're hopping on. I brought the GoPro so I can bring you guys on with me.
Okay, and for the jump point. This plane is never gonna work. Rocket! Well, okay, I walked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, we are likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it. Boys, no one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done?
I think we're trying to hack.
You really think they deserve to be called heroes? Do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You were lying to them. Now I understand.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
So before I let you go, I was going to share a couple of my thoughts about things. First, you might think I got really lucky. Thank you. You might think I got really lucky with that wait time, with only being 45 minutes. But from what I've seen, the wait time is normally 50. So yesterday after rope drop was 50. Earlier today it was 50. So I think that's actually average wait time. So I wouldn't expect to wait more than that right now during the off season. There are a decent amount of runners still here, so it's a little busy still. I mean, Disney World just doesn't really get not busy anymore. So it's always going to be a little busy, but definitely during holidays, you're going to expect more of an hour and a half. But ops in there were fantastic. They were doing a great job. I love that they added the stanchions there. That might be something you might overlook, but as someone that's ridden that so many times, that has always been a massive problem for me, is that hallway, because another show will let out behind you and people just try to squeeze through between you and just try to fill in that space, and then you get cut off a lot and it's annoying. I appreciate them finally adding some way to control that situation. I think this is overall a huge win for the Disney World Resort, because I like virtual queue. I like having that insurance of knowing you're gonna ride this ride. But when you could just stand by ride, it just allows you to ride it without any worry. I think the virtual queue brings a lot of worry into your trip about, oh, can I get it? Can I get it in the morning? And that's, if you don't get it, that's really a bummer. I just think this is a better way of doing it. I know they're trying to keep opening day crowds from being like when Star Wars opened, or a similar experience with Hagrid where it's just hours of waits and all that. But I really do think, I hope that they will stay away from virtual queues, or at least only have them for about 2 months. We will definitely be going to check out Tiana's at one point. I have seen it hovering about an hour, so it's not too bad of a wait either, especially for it's still technically pretty new attraction. So let me know what you guys think, if you really do enjoy the virtual queue being gone, or if you liked it kind of as the insurance of, you know, you can ride that ride. One more thing. I wanted to quickly say, that line wasn't that bad, and the biggest thing I think about virtual queue that was switched, virtual queue, when it broke down, you would have so much floods of people coming back when it was open. This, when it breaks down, you might actually have a pretty short wait if you come back right as it opens. So that will be a fantastic change. So again, let me know if you enjoyed this change to Walt Disney World. If you want to see them continue to do this, I personally really like it, because I'd rather just stand sometimes and wait for this ride, because I think it's the best ride here. So thanks for watching. Hope this video brought a little more joy into your day, and you now know that virtual queue's gone. So we'll see you guys next time.